I'm going to show you how to install faux beams in your home. The ceiling I'm installing on is halfway finished with the removal of stucco, so don't let that distract you. First, you need to determine which way your joists are running, and for easy installation, install your beams parallel to the joists. The reason for this is because the strapping underneath the drywall will be running the opposite direction, and it will give you something to screw into every 16 inches. How many beams? That depends on your desired look, but for reference, I installed them 4 feet apart and they are just under 10 inches wide. You might need a second set of hands for this and use a straight edge to draw your line. Rip down several pieces of wood, 1.5 inches smaller than your desired beam width, and 2 to 3 feet long. The reason you want them 1.5 inches smaller is that we are using 3/4 inch thick pine, and you need to account for the 2 sides of your beams. Apply construction grade adhesive and screw them into your strapping along your marked out lines. You are able to run the full length of your ceiling and catch every piece of strapping, but it's not required. Now rip your wood down to the desired height of your beams. I chose 2 inches because my ceiling is not that high and I didn't want them coming down into the room too much. With the same glue, attach these pieces to the boards on your ceiling and fill in the screw holes with wood fill. Repeat this on both sides of your wood and rip your pine down to the width of your desired beam and attach it to the 2 pieces. As you can see, my boards are already stained and it is much easier to stain your boards on the ground before you put them up. Continue until you are all finished and then you can enjoy your new cozy beams.